Now, after a long and hard Lok Sabha campaign, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to return to the campaign trail. Today, Prime Minister will address a mega rally around noon in Doda, which is in Jammu Division, a region that has long been a bastion for the Bharatiya Janata Party. Now, the Saffron Party had won all 25 of its seats in 2014 assembly polls in the erstwhile Jammu and Kashmir state. Now, a PM's choice of location is quite significant as Doda had witnessed 4 major attacks since June. Here is the message that the Saffron Party is trying to send by picking Doda as the launchpad for its ambitious campaign. Now, challenging opposition's dominance from a traditional Congress stronghold is going to send a strong message to the nearby seats of Kishtwar, Ramban, Anantnag as well. Now, Prime Minister's visit is considered quite important for shaping party's plan in J&K and highlighting BJP's government's past achievement and future goal for the region as well. Now, the party hopes that this display of commitment will help them get more seats in Chenab Valley region. The Congress, however, dismisses their chances. Have a look.
देखिए, प्रधानमंत्री जी का एक अपना कद है, पूरे हिंदुस्तान में लोग उनको लाइक करते हैं और ये भी है कि धारा 370 टूटने के बाद अब जबकि हालात सामान्य हुए हैं तो प्रधानमंत्री जी 40 साल बाद किसी प्रधानमंत्री का यहाँ पर आना अपने आप में बड़ा महत्वपूर्ण है। और जम्मू कश्मीर में यूँ भी प्रधानमंत्री जी समय समय पर रूटीन में रेगुलरली आ रहे हैं। लोगों को अपनापन सा लगता है। एक तो जो मन की बात हर महीने होती है, जम्मू के लोगों को, जम्मू के प्रोडक्ट्स को उन्होंने बड़ा हाईलाइट किया, डेवलप किया और कुल मिलाकर के लोगों को उम्मीद है।
Is he coming to give the jobs to the youth of the Jammu Kashmir? The youth of the Jammu Kashmir is crying for jobs, and we are watching them protesting. Dentists protesting, not getting jobs. Teachers protesting, not getting jobs. Police constables protesting, not getting jobs. Youth protesting. Sports people protesting, not getting jobs. So I would urge the Prime Minister, I would request the Prime Minister कि please come if you're coming to give the jobs to the youth. From last 10 years, you are just, showing some other picture, हाथी के दांत खाने के और दिखाने के और. आप कहते हैं नौकरी देंगे लेकिन नौकरियां छीनने का काम कर रहे हैं. You are making the domiciles from the people of the people outside and not giving the jobs to the youth of J&K. For this you are coming.
My colleague Pradeep Datta joins us live on the broadcast. Pradeep, this is going to be a significant visit by the Prime Minister to Jammu and Kashmir. Tell us what is lined up for the day and what message is Prime Minister slated to give today?
Yes, you're absolutely right. This is going to be a very significant visit and also very important one because in last 50 years, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is the only one to visit this remote Doda area. And definitely during this visit, he's going to talk about the development that has taken place after abrogation of Article 370 because we have seen that how the roads have been constructed. Not only that, several power projects are also coming up in this area. In 2014, when he had kick-started his campaign, he had that time addressed rally from Kishtwar. But people of Doda that time also wanted that Prime Minister should come out to this place. And this time when they were finalizing the plan for the election campaigning, Prime Minister himself said that he will be going to Doda region. At 12, he will be coming over to this place. He will be addressing the gathering because here in first phase, all the 3 districts, like we have a Ramban district, we have Kishtwar district and we have Doda district. These 3 districts have got 8 assembly seats. So they will be going for the poll. Though the Congress is saying nothing has been done by the government, but so far, if you look at the situation on the ground, lot many things have changed. Earlier, there were no proper roads in that area. But now in the remotest of area, the BJP has tried to ensure that they get the best of the roads. So the Prime Minister will be talking about what actually they have achieved in all these years and what will be their roadmap for future. And because already they are made up their mind that this time they will be focusing on the youth, they will be trying to ensure that they should get employment. Not only that, they will also try to channelize energy in the right direction. Meanwhile, ahead of Prime Minister's visit, there had been firefight encounter going on. The operation is right now continuing in Kishtwar Chhatru area, where 2 of our brave hearts have lost their lives and 2 are said to be critically injured, and all the addition and all the entry and exit points have been plugged. Let me speak to people. कितना जोश है प्रधानमंत्री के आने पर यहाँ पे?
बहुत खुशी है प्रधानमंत्री के आने पर। पूरे लोग जो हैं, अवाम पूरी घर से, मैं ब्लॉक असर में रहता हूँ और कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी हमारी वेस्ट डोडा है, तो बहुत सारे लोग जो हैं, औरतें, छोटे बच्चे, सभी मोदी को देखने के लिए आ रहे हैं।
कितने दूर से पैदल चल के आप लोग आ रहे हो?
कम से कम यहाँ से 70 किलोमीटर पैदल आए।
70 किलोमीटर चल के आप लोग आ रहे हैं। तो क्या आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं प्रधानमंत्री से? क्या अनाउंसमेंट, क्या एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं?
हम ये सोच रहे हैं कि प्रधानमंत्री जी आ रहे हैं, पहले हम उनको देख के ही खुश हो जाएंगे और उसके बाद मोदी जी से हमने उम्मीद है कि कुछ ना कुछ हमारे इस डिस्ट्रिक्ट में पहली बार आ रहे हैं और ये इतिहास में पहली बार हो रहा है कि डिस्ट्रिक्ट डोडा में जो है ये प्रधानमंत्री जी आ रहे हैं और ये पहले इतिहास में लिखा जाएगा ये। और मोदी जी के हम शुक्रगुजार हैं कि हमारे इस रिश्तवाल डोडा में जो ये आए हैं।
आप कितने उत्साह हैं आप में?
हम एक ही साथी हैं,
साथ ही आप आए हैं, इनके साथ ही चल के। किस जगह से आप चल के आए?
असर ब्लॉक से।
So you can see there's a lot of excitement and enthusiasm among people. They had tracked about 70 kilometers to come out to this place because they want to have a first glimpse of Prime Minister. And that's why, you know, the reason for the excitement is also obvious. Because in last 50 years, not any of the Prime Ministers has visited this place. So he'll be the first one to come out to this place, interact with the people. Because, you know, what kind of interaction he's having. He's not only addressing a rally. He's basically having interaction with the people. So that's what actually the people are here to listen to Prime Minister. They are saying that many women and children are also walking from different places coming over to this place. So a lot of excitement, lot of enthusiasm. But yes, on the other hand, on the security front, all I can say, the terrorists are trying to make their presence felt. But our security forces are on job. They're trying to ensure that the terrorists are pinned down at earliest. Operation is continuing in Chatru area. Meanwhile, the security has also been beefed up. Additional reinforcement has been called and alert has already been sounded in this area. Prime Minister will be coming here at about 12. It is a 1 hour long program during which he is going to address a rally. Because in Jammu and Kashmir, during 3 phases of election, Prime Minister is going to address 3 rallies. Already on 19th, the program has been jotted down that he's going to address a rally at Sher Kashmir Stadium in Kashmir Valley in Srinagar area. And after that, he's going to address one more rally in Jammu region. But this is the first rally in Doda region because last time when he had addressed a rally in Kishtwar town, that was the time when people in Doda had been demanding that he should come out to this place. So Prime Minister made up his mind that this time he will be addressing rally from Doda. And you can see since morning, a lot of security has been beefed up and they will be coming out to this place. And large gathering is expected. More than 20,000 to 30,000 people.
Well,
from
absolutely.
different
A very important point mentioned by Pradeep Datta that in the last few years, no Prime Minister has visited this area. And that is why the visit of the Prime Minister to Doda is quite significant. Thank you, Pradeep Datta, for all the details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this. Now, later in the day, the Prime Minister will also hold his first rally in Haryana. Interestingly, the venue is Kurukshetra, the land where the epic battle of Mahabharat was in fact fought. The rally assumes political significance as well as the BJP leaders believe that it will strengthen the poll prospects of the party in a state where it is facing a 10-year anti-incumbency fighting as well as exodus of the leaders upset over ticket distribution. Hoping to overcome all these hurdles, BJP is trying to put a show of unity and strength and to use Modi magic to its full potential. Candidates not only from Kurukshetra but also from nearby districts of Karnal, Ambala, Kaithal and Yamunanagar will share dais with the Prime Minister at the public meeting. Have a look.
ऐतिहासिक भूमि कुरुक्षेत्र में कल देश के लोकप्रिय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी थीम पार्क में एक बड़ी जन आशीर्वाद रैली को संबोधित करेंगे और देश के लोकप्रिय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी कल हरियाणा प्रदेश की कुरुक्षेत्र की भूमि पर आएंगे।